Day 2 of Python for AI. Right now, ChatGPT is processing millions of text requests around the world. Every single one goes through hundreds of string operations before the AI even starts thinking. Today, you are going to learn exactly what those operations are. 5 string operations. Every AI engineer uses them daily. Let us go. A string is any text inside quotes. That is it. Hello world, string. Decode AI, string. Even 25 inside quotes, string, not a number. Every piece of text data, tweets, emails, customer reviews, medical records, is a string. Before any AI model learns from text, the text gets processed using exactly what we are about to cover. Operation 1, length. We define our text as hello AI world and then print its length. You get 14. Number of characters including spaces. Why AI needs this? Every LLM has a maximum input size. ChatGPT checks your message length before doing anything else. 1 line, massive importance. Operation 2, case conversion. We define our text as Decode AI and print both the upper and lower case versions. Upper gives Decode AI, lower gives Decode AI. Why AI needs this? Real-world text is messy. Lowercase everything first, so your model treats AI and AI as the same word. This is text normalization, first step in every NLP pipeline. Operation 3, joining strings. We join our first and second strings together with a space in between. And just like that, you get the joined string Decode AI. Why AI needs this? When you use ChatGPT through an API, the system concatenates your system prompt, conversation history, and your message together every single time before sending to the model. Operation 4, slicing, grabbing any part of the string. We use square brackets to slice the string from index 0 to 7 and from 8 to the end. First gives you machine, second gives you learning. Why AI needs this? Tokenization, the process of breaking your message into chunks for an LLM, uses slicing at its core. When ChatGPT reads your message, it slices it into tokens first. Operation 5, replace. We take the string I love machine learning and replace the exclamation marks with nothing. You get I love machine learning, clean. Why AI needs this? Stripping noise, removing special characters, cleaning URLs from web scrape data. This runs on millions of rows of training data before every large language model is trained, including ChatGPT. Here is what nobody tells beginners. When you message ChatGPT before it generates a single word, your text goes through a pre-processing pipeline. Length check, lowercase, clean, slice into tokens. Every operation we just covered, running in milliseconds inside production AI systems right now. You just learned how language AI actually processes text. Save this video. These 5 operations appear in every single AI project you will ever build. Drop a comment. Which operation surprised you most? Follow for day 3 tomorrow, numbers and math in Python, and why they are the language every AI model thinks in. Follow Decode AI, learning AI from scratch, together every single week.